This is going to be a video of a cold start on a 1995 GMC k1500. It's got the 6.5 turbo diesel in it. It's about 20 degrees out right now. Got down into the teens last night. No block heater. The block heater doesn't work anymore in the truck. It's got 258,000 miles on it, and we have a glow plug override, so gonna hold that down for about 8 to 10 seconds, give it a shot, maybe use it again if it doesn't start up. See what she does.
Yeah! Cleaned up, clean cut, and clean shave.
Not ready now. She wanted to go. Smoking a bit out the exhaust. I'll let down another 5 seconds. Give her another try. Oh, she's still ain't going. There we go. I'm gonna hold the gas a bit, feather it. There we go. Oh. Alright. So, as you can see, smoking like a banshee at the exhaust. But, you know, it took about a minute and a half. We got her going. Alrighty.